You are watching school building here, how to describe the different objects and things around us. We have in the form of tree, park, school building and stage for performing different festivals and function. How to describe the things. It is also a great art. It is to be learned by the scholars, by the students, how to describe the things, how to describe a person, place. It's not a really tough task. Simply and very easily we can describe it. Think it is a tree. It has branches, it has a stem, it has leaves, it has fruits. So it's a whole body in the form of root to fruit. So very easily any student can learn and define it in his or her words. There are some plants, you see, some are the plants here, some are in the form of trees, and there is a building, school building. So everyone, every scholar or student who is studying in school, college or university, easily he can define his study room, his place of study. So by using the driver in a sentence, what is the driver in a sentence that is used to describe the things? Like it is a building, it is a school building, its color is pink and it has many rooms. In the rooms there are a facility of ventilation, airy windows are there, there are doors. So the school is full facilitated. You are watching, it has a park, green park, and a number of students study here. Every year many students passes out in their different classes. So the things that are externally you are watching with your naked eyes, you can easily describe these things. And if you are to explain about any person to whom you know, then you can describe while using the personal pronoun. If you want to explain I by using the subject I, then easily you can define by the function, by the action. I, what do I do? If you want to explain our daily routine, how do we explain our daily routine? Just by using I plus first form of the verb. It is very easy to explain, so everyone can explain about his personality or about other persons, about the speaker, about the listener, and about the third person who is not among us, who is not between us. We can describe him or her easily by using the third person pronoun. Third thing is where do you live? If you have to explain it, then you can easily explain your hometown just by imagining. This is only the imagination and imitation that helps you to speak a lot, to speak 2 to 5 minutes easily about your hometown. Your hometown is full facilitated. Your hometown has a number of facilities in the form of electricity, water and railway station, post office, petrol pump and a number of facilities your hometown has. So in these words you can explain that my hometown is very appreciable for me, very praiseworthy for me because it has multi facilities. It is full facilitated. It has a number of houses and homes. It has different kind of people. So like that you can define your hometown. Students and scholars, those who want to learn how to describe the things, person and place, they easily can define. Without any tension, without any frustration or depression, they are to think, they are to imagine, they are to imitate. So this is the great methodology that is to be learned by the students to be a good scholar. They are to have this skill. Whenever, wherever they go, they watch externally the things in the form of color, size, shape, figure and their objective. Ultimately, externally we can define these things about anything whatsoever we see, and if we are to explain internally, then we can imagine and imitate the things. By the imagination and imitation we can speak a lot about anything, we can write a lot about anything, we can read a lot about anything, and we can listen a lot about anything. So it is a great skill and talent of a person who is doing IELTS, a person who is preparing himself for knowing the concept of English grammar. In English grammar, we study a lot of words. In English grammar, every topic is covered with a word. There is the existence of word. If there is no word, there is no English grammar. So in this English grammar, we learn a lot scientifically. So today you are learning, there are a number of grammatical topics in English in the form of parts of speech. School students, college students and university scholars study these things very interestingly, but they forget these things because the lack of concept, they don't have concept with them. So they must go through the concept of these things by correlating the things they keep in their memory for a long time. So thanks for this evening time. Very good evening, nice to meet you.